everyone. Hope you guys are good. Quickly, I just want to explain to us what has been happening so far in the market. So for a couple of days now, getting to week, I've not posted any video. I've been working in the background to sort out some certain things. So for those of you who are following this channel, who has been following me on my Telegram group, I think you are enjoying this trade because I dropped the signal this morning. Both the free group and paid group, I dropped the signal this month. Today is November 24th. So I dropped the signal. Here is the signal for the buy. And here is what we have so far. The market has paid us massively. So quickly, let me go to the chart and explain to us the confluence that I got before I made this entry. The market dealt with us, that was yesterday. But today, we are back and we are happy again. Okay. So if you check in the 4 hours time frame, we see a breakout to the downward side. Okay, here is a breakout to the downward side. After a range in here, the market broke down. So typically we say that the market has been in downtrend for a couple of days now since this breakout. Okay, so this is 4 hours. So what happens here when I came to the 4 hours and I discover what the price has been doing? Okay, there has been some downtrend, so I try to look for an opportunity on the reversal of the price. So what I did was that if you check out previously, we see here that the market tested this trend line. First one, bounced back up, tested again, bounced back up, tested again, and bounced back up. So the market has tested 3 times on the trend line, being this one first, second, and third. Okay. So what I did was like I had to wait for a retracement of this breakout since it didn't cover the previous swing high. Okay, so I waited for a retracement. Okay, so when the market retraces back, I held it on this very support here. Okay, so I held it on that very support. Approaching that very support, I was looking at for series of rejections, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and all the rest. Okay, and luckily for me, I got them. Okay, as you can see it here, we had series of rejections at that very support zone there. So those of you that have been following me, you should know that we mark our support this way. So from the first line to the second line, these are our zone. Okay, so this was the place I was waiting for price to come, and luckily for me, price came there and did the needful. Okay, so when price came there and I saw those rejections, upon those rejections, then I see the bullish candles coming in. We have to go in at this very point. Okay, and you can see what we have. So this is typically something like a W pattern, first leg, second leg, and my take profit first initially was about somewhere here, I think about 87, 85 level. That was what I gave the group. Okay, I gave the group 85. Yeah, TP at 87, 85 level. Okay, so this very strategy is very simple. All it requires is for you to have patience for it to occur. Okay, so when it occurs, boom, you are going in. So it is not just a support that corresponded to the previous test of the trend line. Okay, look at what I mean. Here we have a trend line that was tested previously. Here is a trend line that was tested previously. So upon price coming back to this very support here, corresponding to the trend line that was tested previously. Okay, this is the logic there. So it's not just anyhow zone of support, but this one corresponded with the zone where the price tested the trend line. Okay, so those of you that are trading currency, this always happen in GBP USD. If you're trading currency and you don't know this pattern, you don't know this reputation in the chart, that means you're not good in what you're doing. Okay, so this is just how we got to get this set up. And immediately I saw it coming, I had to share it to my group. I had to share it with some other people there. So all you just had to do most times in the market is to start patient. you're still going to make money. It might be in the dark hour, but you can still make money from the market. Once you exercise patience and allow this to happen, upon retracing at this very area, look out for um area of values. Once you see area of values like in that very support level, then you go in with your entry trigger. Your entry trigger can be your indicators like it can be your chart patterns, it can be your candlestick patterns. Your chart patterns where we have your head and shoulder double pattern, okay, double top, double down, and all the rest of it. Then you have your candlestick patterns where you have your bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. It's very simple, guys. What I do is very simple. I don't trade complicatedly. I try to make my trading very simple so that if I lose, I know the reason why I lose. But if I win, I know the reason why I win. So then this is one of the wins that I've got. Okay. And remember, what makes you a profitable trader is not that you're not gonna lose trade. You're going to be losing trade, but what makes you profitable trader is that the number of wins is going to be greater than the number of losses. So you don't allow your losses to be greater than your wins. Okay, so that's number one information. Then number two is that you will have to always try to control emotions in taking risk. Okay, this is another thing because it might be that you took a high risk and before the market to do a rejection and turn to your favor, you're already out from the market. Your emotion have triggered you to close up your entries. So always try to control emotions in terms of taking risk and the number of position sizes you open at a time. Okay. So these are my experiences. These are the things that have collected money from me, even cost me to blow up accounts. So, but for me, I think I have to share the knowledge with us, but I know that it's very easy to say, but it's not that easy to do. But with time, once you continue practicing it, you're gonna get part of you and you get to understand why you need it as a trader. You really need to control your emotions in terms of your risk management, in terms of your position sizes. Okay, these are the things that affect traders so much, and these are the things that you need to know. These are the things you need to work on. So your guarantee of making profits not just relying on your strategy. It extends beyond your strategy. It goes beyond your strategy. There are some other things that you need to put in consideration. In a situation whereby you have a good strategy that is paying, but your risk management is poor, your position sizes, which determine your risk management, is nothing to write home about. We promise you, you're going to go early from the market. You're going to go early from the market. It can even cause you to blow up your accounts. It can cause you to have some losses that will go deep into your emotions. So these are the things that you need to put in consideration. Once you have a very simple strategy this way, always try to define how much you want to lose on the trade. Always try to define how long you're going to hold the trade. What is the distance you're looking at for rejections and stop hunts before the market reverses to your favor. And once this scope is invalidated, just go on, close up your positions, still have money in your account to come back again the next day. That's how you make money in trading. And don't be scared, guys. Most times a strategy can fail you for once, second, twice. Doesn't mean that the strategy doesn't work, but the third time or the fourth time you are coming back, you're going to come back recovering all and still make some profit. So most of you, when you lose the first and lose the second, probably you took high risk, you get scared of going back again in the market. That's not what determines a profitable trader. Okay, guys, so notwithstanding, make sure that you keep learning. We are all students of the market. For me, I'm not a professional trader, but I know that I'm consistent. I know that I'm profitable. That's all I know. But coming to talk about professionalism, I'm not. I don't think that I belong to that category because I'm not gonna ever see myself as a professional trader. No, I'm not professional in this. This is just a school that I'm still in, and I keep on learning. Though what I do is that because I know what I do, I try to carry others along. Okay, guys. So that's it for this trade, guys. I don't want to make the video a long one. I just have to use it as an opportunity to advise us and also to talk to us. Okay. So see you guys in the next video. Make sure you keep learning. Price action is the key. Make sure you keep learning. Learn and learn and learn. Never give up, guys. Away. Away.
Have to get away from the Babylon. Get away. Get away. Get away.